Welcome to a new video tutorial for Dynamics 365, and I'll take you through the process of settling a sales invoice. So to take you through a short description, once the DSR has been run from the software that we made, it will generate sales invoices. And on my page here, I have sample sales invoices that we have created on hand, let me just say manually. So that's why there are two. So in the case that a DSR has been run, it will generate all the invoices for that day, for all the sales that happened. So to ease in your work, you need first to post these sales invoices before confirming the sales. We have shortened the process to make it faster. So since you don't want to go confirming one sales invoice after the other, I'll show you how to confirm, how to post all the sales invoices as one. So you go to one of the sales invoices. So I'm on the first one here. And after the sales invoice number, there are three dots. When you click to one of them, you see a drop down, and the last item is select more. So I'll click select more. And if you have noticed, there's a certain column that has been added here, and the first one is selected. So if a DSR has been run, you'll have more than 100 sales invoices, and you don't want to go one by one. So just select this checkbox that is up here, and it will auto-select all the rest. After this, you just need to post the sales invoice. So it will ask you 2 out of 2 sales invoices are ready for post. You'll say yes. And best case scenario, it will say all documents were posted. So click OK, and there are no sales invoices. Where do you go next? You go to posted sales invoices down here. And you'll see all this, the 2 sales invoices that you have just posted. Now, the table is here for all the invoices that have ever been posted. And since we want to view the latest one, we'll look at the... yes, so I'll put it in descending order so that it can bring me the ones that we posted today. So you can see the date here is 18th, and the amounts that you have just quoted from the sales invoice. So that's the first step in confirming your sales for the day. The next step is you need to confirm the money so that it can go into your bank account in this Dynamics 365. So I'll come to our best friend here, the search button, and I'll search for General Journal. So it will bring a list of general journals. Kindly select the first one. And for the first one, you'll see default and invoices. So kindly click on default. So it will bring to you a general journal with the one entry. So you just click get standard general journal, and you'll click the first one. It's a payment, and the description is that you're processing a customer payment. So you click payment, then click OK. Yes, so what it will do, it will load all your customers, and we have made it easier such that you won't be doing it one by one. So these things have been auto-populated for you on these lists. I want us to confirm the last 2 sales invoices that you have posted on the other side. And I told you as I began that those are just 2 that we created manually. If a DSR is the one that has run, all the sales invoices will be there for all the customers. So back to this, I'll come, and the only thing that you need to do on this page is come and click on the applies to document number. So just click there. So it show up 3 dots. all you'll be doing is you'll be checking if this customer has an invoice. So this guy doesn't have an invoice. Cosmos Bar does not have an invoice, but this is just the opening customer balance that was set. So I'll cancel since he doesn't have one. I'll click the second one. He has a sales invoice that has not been paid. So maybe I want to pay for this one for 1,126. I'll click OK. And as you can see on this field of amount, it has set a negative value of what we have in the sales invoice. As I told you, in general ledgers, we need to, when you credit one account, you need to debit the other account. So on the sales invoice, it says positive 1,126, and since you're offsetting it, it will be negative 1,126. So we go to the next one. Also has a sales invoice. I'll click one, so I'll select the second one. Okay, let's see. So this one doesn't have, practically only those two should have sales invoices, because those are the only sales invoices that we posted. So all the rest we will not have. Now, here's an important part, such that if someone does not have a sales invoice for that day, you need to remove them from this list that you want to post. So to delete all the rest, okay, in a real scenario, you don't have to delete all the rest because most will have the sales invoices posted. So I need to click to delete all the ones that do not have sales invoices. So on my far left, there are the three dots. Also our friends, you just click to the three dots and then select more, since you don't want to go deleting one by one, so you want to delete a batch of them at the same time. So I'll click at the checkbox there, and you'll notice I've selected all of them, including our two that you want to post. So if you just want to exclude them, you just click on the checkbox beside them, those two, and they remain unselected, and the rest will be selected. So I come up here and click delete. So I'll go ahead. Yes, so I'll remain with two invoices that I'm supposed to confirm. So once I've checked they are okay, I'll just come and click post. Once I post, it will tell me the general lines were successfully posted. Okay, so we have successfully confirmed our sales for the day. One value was 1,100 and something, the other one was 1,300 and something. I just need to confirm that those amounts really hit our bank account. So I'll come to finance. Then I go to bank account here. We only have one sample bank here. And on the bank, I'll check the balance. This is just an arbitrary number, that's why it is negative. So I'll just click to that, and it will pop up for me how the transactions have been hitting our bank account. So the last two that I posted appear here, and they are positives. That means our bank account has received money from our two customers. So thank you for being with us. For any questions, kindly feel free to mail us.